Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is all about my indoor plants and one recipe from my garden to fight cough, cold and flu. Watch the video till the end to see what happened to my garden and what did I do with them. Now let's get started. In this video, I will be sharing all the indoor plants what I have in my house, how I take care of it, what are the fertilizers I use for it, and how you should water them, how frequent you should water them. That is what I will be sharing. Bringing the outside in will make your house more and more beautiful. Plants are the most inexpensive way to decorate your house. It also adds extra beauty as well as provide good supply of oxygen inside your house. Few plants are very easy and quick to grow. One of them is money plant. There are different kinds of money plants in my house, 3 to 4 variety. All are very easy to grow and very easy to maintain as well. This is my jade plant. It is 2.5 years old and nice and very beautiful plant it is. This sunny side window provides ample amount of sunlight to my indoor plants all through the year, whether it is winter or summer. They grow very nicely by the side of this window. So this is my indoor garden side. Another plant which grows very easily is the spider plant. This is the spider plant. There will be long hangings in the plant of this kind which can be easily used for making more and more new plants. You don't need to buy this plant. If you just see somewhere in your neighbor's house or in your friend's house, just ask for these small cuttings which will be hanging out of those plants and you can easily propagate it as many as you want. Just one plant you can multiply into many number of plants. I will just show you how they can be multiplied. See, if you keep them in water, new roots will be formed. In this spider plant also we have two variety, normal spider plant and curl spider plant. So just you have to pluck it like this and keep it in water. Lot of more new roots will be formed out of these nodes. Then you can transfer it into a pot. Next is the croton variety. These all are croton varieties. You can see nice beautiful yellow spots in them. In nice sunny area, these yellow spots will be nice and bright. The other plant, I don't know what's the exact name. It is just, I know it by the name of elephant ear. This is also very easy to grow. Just one stem if you get, you can make nice big pot like this. This also grows easily in water. You can keep it in a flower vase also. Just keep these stems. They have lot of roots coming out. Whenever you want, you can repot them in as well. This is again the jade plant. From my big jade plants, I just removed few leaves and kept, and it started to grow. These jade plant and this string of pearls are nice jewel plants. They are little expensive. The other plants which I shared were not at all expensive. They are very inexpensive. These string of pearls also is a very beautiful touch to your garden. These all are succulent variety. Just if you cut, they will be keep on multiplying the strings. And also you can propagate it as well. See, I just cut those strings and kept it in a pot and they also started to grow. That's how you can make extra pots also. How do I water these plants? This string of pearls and jade plant, I water it only 15 days or 10 days once. These I have repotted the jade plant and the string of pearls when they have nicely grown. This indoor plant also takes a really long time to grow and it takes really a month to root also. Just if you cut the main stem and keep it in water, it will start to have new roots, and from the stem which you have cut also will have new nodes. You can see 3 to 4 nodes like branches it has come. when I propagated, this new branches came. So but it is very long time it takes, just like jade plant, this plant also takes really long to grow. If the tip of the leaves are dry, that means you have not watered the plants from long time. No worries, it will get fixed if you water. This is my aloe vera plant. It is very well growing when you don't water it for at least 15 days. Only 15 days once you should water, don't keep it in direct sunlight. All these beautiful lovely pots are from Home Depot. I bought them. Sure, keep nice plates underneath so that water doesn't flow on your floor. Now you can see all my plants have completely gone. I have given few plants to my friends. I sold few plants as well. Now my full indoor garden is completely done. I'm done with it. Why, I will share you in my next video. Today I will be sharing one recipe from my garden. This is the Ajwain plant. This plant has lot of medicinal values, and these leaves are very helpful to fight cough, cold and any flu symptoms, especially during this pandemic. It was very helpful for me as well. I will be making rasam with these leaves. In a pot I have taken oil for frying, few garlic cloves, pepper, turmeric and all these ajwain leaves you have to add and nicely fry them until they become translucent and get cooked. Just for 5 minutes only I cooked it, then leave it for another 5 minutes for it to cool down completely. I am going to blend it in the blender. Along with that I will be adding few tomatoes, some salt and coriander also. That's it. Add little bit of water and make it into fine paste. Just like rasam, normal tempering it was with mustard curry leaves and dry red chilies, asafoetida. That's it. And add the ground paste and salt to taste, and add enough tamarind puree also. Give it a good mix. Your nice and hot rasam for this winter is ready. Try this recipe. It is very good to fight cough, cold and flu symptoms. Why I am free of all my plants and keeping it empty, I will be sharing in my next video. Keep watching. Sure, try this recipe and give me your feedback. How did you like it? Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.